Welcome to the Cleanster app. Here's how to activate your short-term rental cleaning. Begin by clicking the Book Now tab. Select a cleaning service, then enter a new address or click on Saved Addresses. Find your property from the list. Note: if your property is linked to a property management system, like Airbnb, you can select Automatically Book a Pro Cleaner when guests check out. Otherwise, you can manually click Book Now. Next, select the number of rooms and bathrooms, hours, and other preferences. Then, click Next. Proceed by selecting your preferred date and time. Then click Next. Finally, select a cleaner from the list of recommended options and click Book. On the confirmation page, you can select a payment option. We're selecting the Pay Later option that is offered to large businesses. Click Book and you're all done. It's as simple as that. Thank you for choosing Cleanster for your cleaning needs. For more info, visit cleanster.com.